Since Monday's special meeting of City Council to address the amount and type of various insurance premiums the city has, multiple council members have spoken out, sharing their opinions on the insurance the city carries, but not Mayor Perkins until now.
That's right. I sat down with him one-on-one today to discuss this issue. He says what's being presented and said is misleading. Here's why. On Monday, Councilman John Nicholson said if something would happen to the city's assets, the city would have a catastrophic uncovered loss.
The weather was as bad as it was reported that it might be, and a tornado came through our city. We could literally go bankrupt.
According to Mayor Perkins, Nicholson's statements weren't entirely wrong, but they weren't entirely correct either.
So that's a misconception. We actually have total coverage of all of our properties.
According to the city's new policy with insurance giant AIG, brokered through Frost Insurance of Dallas and agent Rodrell Syke, all of the city's properties, valued at more than $815 million, are insured.
There's a confusion between our total insured property insurance and the single occurrence coverage.
Single occurrence coverage is when one incident damages properties and what can be claimed from that incident. The mayor acknowledges Nicholson was correct in stating that number has been drastically reduced, but he claims there's good reason.
We were overinsured before. We were at $815 million of coverage before with our single occurrence, and to give you some perspective, since the early 2000s, we've only claimed about $800,000 of that $800 million that was available. And we've gone through the 2016 flood, so we've seen some, pretty horrific natural disasters.
Are we currently paying more for this less insurance that we are receiving?
And yes, we are, but it's not due to a change of agent, which I've heard in the news. It's actually due to the market. We got a letter from AIG, who our previous insurers used, about a month before our policy expired, saying, hey, this bundle that we're offering, it was over $500,000 before, is going to be $200,000 more dollars, and we're going to be reducing the coverage on that bundle.
Multiple municipality insurance brokers NBC6 spoke with locally and across the country who were unwilling to go on camera back the mayor's claims. AIG as a whole is reducing its liability in the municipality insurance market.
It wouldn't have mattered whoever the insurance agent was. The city would have had to incur that cost anyway.
According to the mayor, Frost Insurance sought out about 20 companies to see if the city could get a better deal. In the end, AIG still offered the best terms.
He went with the best available coverage in the market, which again makes sense. Our previous agent of record did the same thing with AIG.
The mayor says Frost Insurance brokers only 12% of the insurance the city has. The remaining 88% sit with Gallagher & Company and Risk Services. NBC6 reached out to both companies for comment this week. Neither would go on the record. And multiple calls to Nicholson's city council office and his law office were unreturned.